Flashing lights are more effective than steady lights. How do you get your brake lights to flash? Well, it's pretty easy. And why do you want them to? Well, it could save your life. It can prevent serious injuries. It can lessen the effects of a rear-end collision or even avoid them altogether. This little device is easy to install. Just follow along. On most vehicles, the center-mounted stoplight is easily accessible, and you start by removing the two screws on either side, and then simply pull away, and there's your light. To make the installation even easier, you remove this big clip, and then you can pull the whole unit away from the vehicle. And to make things even easier, you can pull that clip off of the silver clip so you can more easily access the clearly visible red positive wire going to the light and the black ground wire. Intercept the red wire from the battery and connect it to the red wire to the module. Then the blue wire from the module goes to the red wire close to your brake light. Then you snip the red wire between the two quick disconnects or quick connects. Then you can connect to any black ground wire from the module's black wire. And of course, before you reinstall it, you should test it to make sure that it's working. And here you can see plainly that it is. And this is the finished install. Everything's working great. So I highly recommend one of these. You can't go wrong, and it can only help you in avoiding accidents and getting hurt. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, click, comment, subscribe, like, all that neat stuff. Have fun!